Hey there, exam warriors! Struggling with those lengthy math calculations? Worry not, today I'm going to share some mind-blowing tricks to solve math problems faster. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the magic of Vedic maths. Ever heard of it? It's an ancient Indian technique that'll make you a human calculator. Let's start with multiplication of two-digit numbers. Say you want to multiply 23 by 47. Break it down like this: 20 plus 3 and 40 plus 7. Multiply 20 by 40, then 20 by 7, 3 by 40, and finally 3 by 7. Add them all up to get your answer. Simple, right? Next, let's talk about the rule of 11. This one's a game changer. To multiply any two-digit number by 11, add the two digits together and place the sum in the middle. For example, 32 times 11. Add 3 and 2 to get 5. So, 32 times 11 is 352. Easy peasy. Now for those pesky square roots. Here's a trick to find the square root of a number close to a perfect square. Let's say you need the square root of 50. 50 is close to 49, which is 7 squared. Use this formula: 57 plus 50, 49, 2 asterisk 7. That equals 7.07. Quick and accurate. Don't forget to practice these techniques. The more you practice, the faster you'll get. Keep a list of problems handy and time yourself. Trust me, you'll see improvement in no time. Alright, that's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Good luck with your exams, and remember, you've got this. Catch you in the next video.